let us see some new concepts in geometry. It's our third video, and in M1 we saw that the union of two sets, intersection of two sets, it means if we have two set 1, 2, 3, if it is A and it is B, 4, 6 and 7. If we ask what is union A union B, what is A union B, then we write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. It is union of A and B. And what is intersection of these two sets? A intersection B is intersection, it means only common unit, or this is A4. Therefore, it is intersection of these two sets. It is already we have seen in M1. These terms, union and intersection, these are useful in M2 also. Therefore, some concepts which we understand by using these two concepts, union and intersection. The first is line segment. Line segment, ह्या दोन कन्सेप्टचा उपयोग करून आपल्याला पुढच्या जॉमेट्री मधल्या काही कन्सेप्ट ज्या आहेत त्या क्लिअर करून घ्यायच्या. सुरुवातीला आपण बघतोय लाईन सेगमेंट. तर लाईन सेगमेंट म्हणजे काय, तर आपल्याला दोन शब्द माहिती आहेत, लाईन अँड लाईन सेगमेंट. व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन these two diagrams? It is a segment and it is a line segment and it is a line. Line is infinite at both sides. Line जी आहे ती दोन्ही बाजूला अमर्यादित वाढू शकते. If we denote line AB and it is of PQ. Here we say that P and Q are the endpoints of segment P and Q. These points are the end points of this segment. But here we cannot say that A and B are the end points of this line, because here is arrow. It means that A and B are not the end points of this line. Therefore, it is called as a line segment. Then what is exactly meaning of line segment? Line segment, it means that the union of point P, point Q and the points between them. म्हणजे लाईन सेगमेंट म्हणजे नक्की काय सांगता येईल आपल्याला, पॉइंट पी, पॉइंट क्यू आणि ह्या दोन्हीच्या दरम्यान असणारे जे काही पॉइंट आहेत त्या सगळ्याला मिळून आपण लाईन सेगमेंट असं म्हणतो. नाउ लेट अस सी हियर. Here is a line segment AB. It means that it is union of point A, point B and the points between them. This line segment is denoted as segment AB or segment BA. लाईन सेगमेंट जो आहे त्याला आपण सेगमेंट AB किंवा सेगमेंट BA असं सुद्धा वाचू शकतो. And the distance between the endpoints of segment is called as the length of segment. म्हणजे या दोन एंड पॉइंट्सच्या दरम्यान असणारे जे काही डिस्टन्स आहे त्याला आपण लेंथ ऑफ सेगमेंट असं म्हणू शकतो. अँड इट इज राईट ॲज लेंथ AB. It is distance between the endpoints. And it is right as length AB is equal to distance AB. Length AB is equal to distance AB. If this length AB is of 5, then it is written as AB is equal to 5 or AB is equal to 5. Hence it is a line segment. Then second concept is ray AB. Ray AB, let us draw here a diagram of ray A, B and here point P. Suppose A and B are the two distinct points. The union of set of all points on segment AB and point P such that A dash, B dash, P is called ray AB. Here point A is called the end point of ray AB. Therefore, the point A, it is the end point of ray AB, and ray AB is nothing but union of point A, point B, point P such that A dash, B dash, P. It is a ray AB. Then third concept is line AB. Line AB, the union set of points on ray AB, union set of points on ray AB and opposite ray of ray AB is called as line AB. An opposite ray, it means that it is the union of ray AB and ray BA. म्हणजे लाईन जी आहे ती रे AB आणि रे BA यांचा युनियन पासून तयार झालेली आहे. The set of points of segment AB is a subset of points of line AB. Then fourth concept is congruent lines. What is mean by congruent lines? If the length of two segments is equal, then the two segments are congruent. Line segment we have already studied. Here AB is of 10 and CD it is also of 10. Then these two line segments are the congruent line segments, and it is denoted as line AB is congruent to line CD or AB is congruent to CD. It is a congruent segments. Then fifth is properties of congruent segment. Then which are the properties of congruent segment? First is reflexivity. What is reflexivity? It is that each line segment is congruent to itself. प्रत्येक लाइन सेगमेंट जी आहे ती स्वतःशी कॉन्ग्रंट असते. Therefore, this property is known as reflexivity. It means that line segment or segment AB is congruent to segment AB. This property is reflexivity. Then second property is symmetry. What is mean by symmetry? If line AB is congruent to CD, then line CD is also congruent to AB. It is a symmetry property. And third is transitivity. and this transitivity is if the first line segment is congruent to second line segment and second line segment is congruent to third line segment, then first line segment also congruent to third line segment. It is called as a transitivity property. Right here, AB is congruent to CD, CD is congruent to EF, then AB is congruent to EF. It is a transitivity property. Then next is midpoint of segment. If here segment AB is done and point M is such that A dash M dash B segment AM is congruent to segment MB, then the point M is called midpoint of AB. And also remember that every segment is having only one midpoint. Then next is comparison of segment. Comparison of segment, we know that AB and CD. If length of AB is less than length of CD, then we write as length AB is less than length of CD, or CD is greater than AB. As we compare the numbers, similarly we compare the line segment. Then 8. Of segment or rays. If the lines containing two segments, two rays or a ray and a segment are perpendicular to each other, then the two segments, two rays, or the segment and the ray are said to be perpendicular to each other. Then segment, if segment AB is perpendicular to CD, then we write it as segment AB is perpendicular to line CD. एखादी लाईन किंवा एखादा रे जर दुसऱ्या लाईनला परपेंडिक्युलर असेल तर तो सेगमेंट जो आहे त्या लाईनला परपेंडिक्युलर कशा पद्धतीने लिहू शकतो. सेगमेंट AB इज परपेंडिक्युलर टू लाईन CD. And 9th is the distance of point from a line. If here a line AB and segment CD is perpendicular to AB. If segment CD is perpendicular to AB and the point D lies on the line AB. If the point D lies on AB, then the length of CD is called, it is called as the distance of point from a line. D is called the foot of perpendicular. That is, if we called as it is A, then write it as length CD is equal to A, or A is the distance of point, A is the distance of line AB from point C.